Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check the number. The first one requires a secret code, and a quick disclaimer: if you will ever forget it, then simply click in the link in the description box, so you'll be transferred to our website with all secret codes and you will be able to find it there. We can check it with the usage of the settings. So let's start with a code. We have to open the dialer, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. So let me show you how to check it with the settings. So let's tap on them, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Device. And right here we have to scroll down to find the status. Now let's scroll, and as you can see right here, we've got the serial number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.